Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Today, me and Tafton are gonna build a fort out of boxes because they got new furniture and the boxes are absolutely enormous here. Let me show them to you. These are the vlog going on here. These are the enormous boxes.
The enormous?
They're pretty big.
Seriously.
They're pretty big. Wait,
Who puts stuff in this one?
Remy, make a weird face. Thumbnail! Wait, actually, we need a real thumbnail. Tafton, pretend like it's heavy. Pretend like the boxes are heavy. Ready, thumbnail. 3.
Something's in this.
Oh my God!
What?
Tafton. Hold on. We're gonna have to click. Hey guys, thumbnail. Ready? 3. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, now we have the thumbnail.
Wait, guys, what I was thinking
we made
is we mashed these two.
Hey, we got the windows.
No,
Okay,
this isn't gonna be a window.
well, we're gonna time lapse this, right?
I think. I don't know.
Well, wait. Okay, we got her facing the thumbnail, his facing the thumbnail. Now we need my face.
Are you actually?
You freak. Okay guys, I'm gonna just update you guys what's going on real quick. So right now, Tafton is over there.
Hi.
Working on one of the boxes. We have labeled them. This is box 1, I believe. I think this one.
That's box 1. Yeah.
This one's box 3 right there.
Box 3.
And this is box 2. Just saying. Back to the time lapse. Yeet. So guys, something very interesting happened.
Never play with knives, kids. This is already bleeding.
Wait.
Like, as soon as I let go of it.
Focus.
Like, it starts off fresh and then it starts bleeding immediately.
So we're gonna go inside, put a bandage on it, and get right back into our building.
We're doing pretty good, actually.
Yeah, we ain't doing bad. We builders. Let's go. Okay guys, so Tafton couldn't find the bandages downstairs. So now we're going
all the way up there.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, we're home alone.
I have to one-hand it.
I can help you.
No! I'm an independent man.
Should I film it like this or like this? Tafton, like this or like this?
How you started filming?
So it's like this. I'm sorry if I changed the camera angle too much on my dudes. I think I'm just gonna film like this from now on.
If I put any pressure, it'll start bleeding. So I need to... Where the crap did the Neosporin go?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know something called Neosporin? It didn't. Rub it.
Tafton, true savage. No. Tafton, look at me. Oh, yep, there we go.
Okay. Got it.
Well, back into our building.
My finger's legit throbbing. It's like thump, 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 thump. I can feel my heartbeat. Yay! 1.
1. Okay. Should I still film?
I'm run away! Running away.
Daphne, I saw you run there. I know where you are. I know you're over there. I'm not coming. Oh, dang. Oh, Daphne.
No.
Daphne? Daphne? We need a new thumbnail. That thumbnail was horrible. So I need you to like pretend like you're cutting. Here, Tap. What are you? What? I need you to pretend like you're cutting.
Did I literally just cut my other thumb? Are you freaking kidding me?
No, you did not.
I feel like I did. Oh, no, I didn't. False alarm. False.
Okay, pretend like you're cutting. We need the good
let's
thumbnail.
keep cutting.
We need the good thumbnail.
Wait, I'm gonna punch it now. Yay. We did what we need to do. Now screw this knife that killed me.
Okay, I got our thumbnail.
Okay guys, I'm gonna do a slow-mo of me
Already
killing
slow
it,
motion.
boy. Yeah, I edited it to make it when it's slow-mo, when it needs to be slow-mo.
3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we got the first
This
room,
is legit.
room, I guess.
So
Room,
what I
done.
did is I like literally went around the whole thing 2 times and did duct tape, and then I went up and then around.
Wait, I'm gonna give you.
It's pretty nothing, but
Yeah, it's something. So we go here. We got all these stuff in here. Oh, we got those middle stuff. And entrance is right there. Pretty dope. We're not done yet. We're gonna have like a door, like over here.
Sean, get out. I'm gonna make the door.
Over
Like the thing that.
over there maybe because we
I'm gonna
need
make the door right here.
because we need this box right there.
I'm gonna.
Hey guys, we're adding the final touches.
This is the last piece of tape we're putting on this whole dang thing.
Yeah.
Okay, Matan, I'm gonna let you. You're freaking kidding.
We're out of tape.
We just ran. Okay, do the finale.
Bum, bada, bum.
Yay!
Yay, we finished.
The roll of tape. That was actually literally the last piece of tape.
Bro,
Screw you, tape.
we just bought this today. We like look how much tape we have used.
Oh, look how much stronger this is. Like, especially this way. Like, it moves the whole thing.
I know.
Okay, guys.
We're
So
probably
what's
bring
gonna
our
happen?
sleeping bags and stuff right
What's
now.
gonna
We're gonna
hap-
sleep there, right? That's the whole point. Okay, guys, we're just gonna vacuum out real quick because it's pretty messy. I don't know if you can.
Because there's a lot of shards in it, and I don't want to,
So let's just vacuum
Oh,
it.
we have one big problem. So, you know, usually we just move one, like face it that way, no, that way. Usually we just move one box towards the hose, but we'd have to move this whole box towards the hose.
Should we time lapse it, or did they have enough time lapse for today?
I think they have enough time lapse.
I think you guys had enough time lapse.
Con, help me.
Okay, I'm gonna just place you down real quick.
You have to move this because we can't reach all the way in and out.
Okay.
So, what I want you to do is put your hands like this. Put your hands like this on the other side. Have one on the main box and one on this box. And when you push it out, and try and keep it equal, okay? That's 6 steps! Wait, and
Maybe even more because the vacuum needs to go through the holes too.
move. Okay, that's about good. You don't need. Oh my gosh, there's tape on my shoe.
Okay, now we're gonna go and vacuum.
Dog's going in.
Wish me luck, guys. Go inside. Vacuum on the track.
There's vacuum.
Oh!
I guess apparently your flash turns off when your battery gets low when you update to iOS 11. But yeah, we're done vacuuming. We're gonna give you a tour of this beautiful thing. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, we brought our stuff.
Got them flashlights.
I'm gonna put in my stuff. Oh shoot, yeah, give me that. Give me that, boy. Okay, we got flashlight. I'll put this right here. I think, wait, should I do this room? Or should I do this room? I'm thinking, I'm gonna do this room. Wait, should I do this room or this room? I'm risking it, I don't know. Oh shoot, my light just turned off.
The left one's probably more clean.
Why is this light turning off? I don't know. I'm just gonna go with the left one because it looks cleaner. Just a tiny bit. Okay, I'm gonna make my way inside. Just give me a second, guys.
Captain, you realize the reason the left side is cleaner is because I didn't get to see at one point. Flashback. Okay. I be getting in the... Put the flashlight in the middle.
I will. Just give me a second, Fart Nugget. I just need to get
Doesn't look like the middle.
situated.
Okay, I'm going in, guys. Wish me luck. Hey, Tafton, I would like a flashlight to see the light. The light of flashes. You know, yeah, that light right there. Hey, I can't see, Tafton. Oh my god. I cannot see.
We're closing it.
Hey,
Dude, this is legit. We actually closed it.
Here, take it. Take the phone. Oh, the camera. It's a camera, not a phone, guys.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. Because we totally didn't go over.
Cinnamon doggy friend. Come here, buddy.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end this video here. It's like
1.
It's like 1, yeah. We just checked.
It's legitness.
I forgot. I'm too tired of that stuff. We got cinnamon here.
Cinnamon, I call him doggy friend.
And now we're gonna go to sleep.
I feel bad for him. He's just like legit just standing there. Or no, not standing. He's laying there.
Well, we're
Legitness.
done. We're done with the video. We're too tired. It's too
We
late.
just want to sleep.
We're gonna go to sleep now. Peace. Peace.
Peace. We need to. We should have had a good outro.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. We don't have
Peace.
peace. Peace. Peace.
Okay, you can pause it now.
Okay.